DOS Keyboard MacTigr Review. The DOS Keyboard MacTigr mechanical keyboard is a well-constructed product that provides mechanical switch comfort and reliability to Apple users. It lacks backlighting and wireless capability but remains an excellent choice for Apple users. The DOS Keyboard MacTigr mechanical keyboard is well crafted and robust. It features an aluminum unibody and stainless steel top, the latter securely fitted into the underlying shell. All-metal construction makes for a hefty weight at 1.1 kilograms, though this is expected of a mechanical keyboard of this nature. The MacTigr keyboard has the standard 104-key layout, as well as low-profile double-shot PBT keycaps that are resistant to wear. It also includes 3 media control buttons, a volume dial, and a sleep function button. The rear of the keyboard contains a USB-C connection cable and 2-port USB-C hub. There are no adjustable feet to adjust the angle of the keyboard, resulting in a flat surface for comfortable use. The USB-C connection cable is 72 inches in length, providing ample reach for most workstation layouts. Its USB-C technology ensures fast data transfer. The MacTigr does not have any integrated keyboard lighting, which means it is not able to use DOS Keyboard's proprietary Q lighting software. The lack of backlighting or RGB integration is noticeable but not a significant issue since the MacTigr is a wired keyboard and does not use batteries. The MacTigr does not come with adjustable kickstands or feet for adjusting the user's angle of use. This is not a feature included in most keyboards in this price range. The MacTigr keyboard has no wireless or Bluetooth capabilities. It uses a USB-C input, connected through approximately 6 feet of cable, which may limit mobility for some people. Most users will not face an issue from this, but those with mobility issues should take it into account. Considering the fact that some individuals with vision impairment may struggle using the current keyboard model in dim lighting conditions, it seems reasonable to add a source of illumination such as a standard or RGB light. Lower-cost models of keyboards with this functionality are available from DOS Keyboards, which can be purchased from their website. Apple users will likely consider the DOS Keyboard MacTigr keyboard based on its performance and comfort rather than lack of features. The MacTigr is a standout among keyboards. It provides an enjoyable typing experience when set up at the right angle. With a 50 grams actuation force, all keystrokes are precise. Pre-travel and total travel is at 1.2 mm and 3.2 mm respectively. The key actuation is accurately registered with minimal pressure and considerable tactile feedback, making the keyboard easier to use than those with optical switches or scissor switches. High-speed typists benefit from the physical feedback they receive while pressing keys, strengthening the connection between fingers and brain. The DOS Keyboard MacTigr offers improved efficiency for professional typists and a comfortable, effortless feel to users on any level. There is a faint sound produced when the keys are actively pressed, but this does not create a nuisance. The MacTigr has N-key rollover, which is the ability to register all keystrokes even if multiple keys are pressed simultaneously. Although literature and studies may argue for the effectiveness of NKRO, it still works as advertised and could be beneficial for users such as those who play certain video games. A 10-key rollover may suffice for most users, but NKRO is a valuable feature to have. The MacTigr keyboard utilizes plug-and-play technology, so there is no need to download extra drivers. This keyboard is not intended for Windows PCs, but it has been reported that it connects successfully to them.